Hi, my name is Rebecca, and in today's lesson we are going to explain the difference between two words, and hopefully after this lesson, the next time you go out for a meal, you won't make a mistake when it comes to the time after the meal. Alright? What am I talking about? Let's have a look. I'm talking about these two words, and these words are desert and dessert. Now, first we're going to look at both of these words as nouns. The first one does have a use as a verb as well, but first, in order to compare them and in order to point out how some students confuse the two, we're going to focus first on the noun, okay? On the two nouns. So, this one, right, desert, is written with one S. And what is a desert? A desert is a very dry region with little rainfall, not much vegetation, right? We are all familiar with various deserts around the world, such as the Sahara Desert, or the Gobi Desert, or the Thar Desert in India, right? So, this is the word desert, the very dry region, spelled with one S, correct? Alright, now we come to the second word. The second word is the word dessert. We all know what dessert is because we usually like to have some after dinner. So the correct word there is dessert, not desert, but dessert. That is the correct pronunciation for something that we eat, something sweet that we eat usually after our meal, correct? That is also a noun. This time it is spelled with two S's, right? D-E-S-S-E-R-T. People don't usually make a mistake with the spelling as much as with the pronunciation. So that's what I really want you to put your focus on, the pronunciation of these two words. Again, desert and dessert. An example of a dessert, of course, might be cake, might be chocolate, might be ice cream, anything like that. All right? Lots of different kinds of desserts exist all over the world. So make sure next time when you ask someone after the meal, would you like some dessert? Not would you like some dessert, but would you like some dessert? This is especially true for our Indian viewers and Indian friends. I've noticed that they tend to make this little mistake in the pronunciation, so do be careful of that. So that's for the noun. Before we complete the lesson, I just want to also point out that this word is also a verb. Alright? Now, when it's used as a verb, then we pronounce it dessert. Alright? I know that might be confusing because this verb, dessert, to desert someone, and this noun, dessert, sound basically the same, right? However, they are completely different, all right? So when we're talking about dessert as a verb, all right, it means to abandon. To abandon means to leave without any plan or intention to come back to a person or a place, right? He deserted her when she needed help, all right? That means he abandoned her, he left her. Or desert can also have a specific meaning in the army. When you say that somebody deserted the army some years ago, it means that he left the army without permission, all right? And that is the use of the word as a verb, desert, all right? Again, let's just review the nouns quickly. The noun here of the very dry place, the Sahara and the Gobi, the Sahara, desert, the Gobi, desert. And what you like to eat after your meal is dessert. Would you like some dessert? Okay? All right. That's it for now. If you'd like to do a little quiz on these confusing words, you're welcome to do that. I hope I've been able to clarify it. Please visit our website at www.ingvid.com. Thanks very much. Bye for now.